Hi everyone, I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax Dallas, and today we're on a brand new 2019 Harris 220 Solstice. Boat's got a great layout. We've got a double Bimini with the Delta tower on it, L-shaped layout, great seating in the front, two wonderful couches up here, drop-down hinges to get that cushion lower, making it easier to reach down inside of this great storage area down here. Flip-down armrests on both sides. We've got a in-floor storage. Nice, sealed away from the third pontoon. This boat does have the high performance package on it. Woven seagrass flooring, RGB LED lighting all the way throughout, so it's in the cup holders, it's in the flooring, around under all the seating. Really well appointed helm. Harris came out with a great new helm for the Solstice this year. We've optioned all of ours with the Simrad. So we've got GPS, chart plotter, fish finder. We've even got your mercury gauges inside of here. So it works with the 250 AMS that's on the back of this. So you've got the sport exhaust, smart tow, cruise control. Really, really nice. Easy to touch, easy to see buttons over here on the side for your docking lights and your nav lights and everything. Digital throttle and shift. Super easy, put it in and out of gear. It'll hold its speed while you're running across the water, so you can have two hands on the wheel, or you can keep looking back at your skier behind you. Active trim, so the motor is going to trim itself. JL Audio multi-zone control, so you've got multiple zones inside of here for your cockpit speakers, your tower speakers, your rear transom area speakers. So this boat's really, really, really well optioned. It is the single lounger layout, so we've got a really nice L-shaped lounger back here. The backrest does flip forward to give you a great lounge area back here. We use a exterior stainless steel railing so that you can ride back here. So if kids or friends or family are out there tubing or skiing, you can lay back here on your lounger and actually video them, Facebook them live, social media, whatever you want to do with them. Great storage under here, black acrylic table, clip-on fenders that come with the boat. Lots of room back here. You can put coolers back there, skis, wakeboards. Flip down swim step. So this will flip down into the water, making it easy to get in and out of the water. Big dogs, makes it easier for them to get back into the boat. Nice stainless steel ski tow bar. Wide handled 4-rung stainless steel ladder. Flip up cleats. Like I said, the Solstice is one of our best models. And this 220 works out really, really well, especially if it's going in your dock behind your lake house or in the marina, or even if you're pulling the boat. If you have any more questions on this boat, please feel free to give us a call. You can give us a call at 972-436-9979.